Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use call recording on your iPhone. So let me directly get into this step. And before proceeding, make sure that the software is up to date. So just go over here in the settings. Now from here, you have to go to the general. Now from here, go to the software update. Make sure that the Wi-Fi or the cellular data is enabled. And you have to cross-check whether you're on the latest version of software update. Make sure at least you're on the iOS 18. That's what you have to do. Once afterwards, you just need to go back. You have to go over here in the call recording. You have to tap over here, or you can directly go over here, make a call to any one of your friend, family members, even colleague. So just tap over here in the call icon so that it should be ringing. So right now, what we need to do is once the particular opposite person acting the phone, you can see there is an icon over here. You have to tap on this particular icon. So right now it says the call will be recorded. And right now, the opposite person will be receiving a message saying it is recording. So he or she will be able to know that you're recording the call. And right now, the call is being recorded right now, as you can see. So you can talk to the person as many times you want. You can talk to them. And once everything has been done, what we need to do is you can see there is an icon over here right there. And what we need to do is just need to tap on this particular icon so that code is being done. And right now, you can cut the call and you have to just go over here and tap on this one. And right now, you can go over here and tap on this one once again. And it says that this is what the call is recording with the particular person. You can see the date, time, everything is written. What is the duration of the call? Everything is written over there. And right now, if I tap on this is the audio, what it has been recording right now. And you can share it, you can delete it, you can do anything with that. So what I need is you can see there is a 3-dot menu at the top. Just tap on this particular icon. Now you have options like you can share the audio with social media platforms like WhatsApp. You can share it to someone if you wanted to share the particular audio. Or if you wanted to save it as an audio file, just tap over here on this. And it will be saved, and you can save it where you want it. For example, let me save this randomly, and it is done. And also apart from that, you can just go over here. You can share this particular one to audio to anyone. Or if you want to delete it, you can delete it as well. So that's what it's all about it. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.